Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to change your profile photo to a profile video on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you'll be provided with 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon, which is used to create and post videos on TikTok, your inbox, and then your profile icon. Here you click on the profile icon, which is the last one here. And then you click on edit profile, which is just below your profile photo. At the top here, you can see the option that says change photo or change video. Here you click on change video, and then you can add any video of your choice.
On the 19th of November 2020 to a Nigeria.
After adding any video of your choice, you click on save.
On the 19th of November 2020 to a Nigerian politician.
I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.